Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to select multiple files in Google Drive. This is useful when you want to move, delete or organize several files at once without doing them one by one. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and log into your account. Browse to the folder where your files are located. To select multiple files that are next to each other, click on the first file and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it, click on the last file in the sequence. All the files in between will be highlighted automatically. If you want to select files that are not next to each other, hold down the Ctrl key on your Windows or the Command key on Mac, then click on each file you want to include. Each selected file will be highlighted, allowing you to pick them individually. Once selected, you can right-click to move them to a folder, download them, or delete them. You can also drag and drop the highlighted group into another folder for quick organization. Selecting multiple files at once saves time, keeps your drive organized, and makes managing projects much more efficient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.